In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Webull password. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to update your login securely without any confusion. First, start by logging into your Webull account. Use the official Webull app or website and sign in as you normally would. It's a good idea to do this on a trusted device and a secure network so your information stays protected. Have your current password ready, because you'll need it in a moment. Once you're in, look to the top right of the screen for your profile or avatar icon. It might appear as your initials or a small silhouette. Click that icon to open your account menu. This is your central hub for personal settings and account details, so it's the right place to manage your security. From there, go to My Account, then choose Settings. Think of Settings as your control panel, where you can adjust how your account behaves, update personal preferences, and access security tools. Inside Settings, locate the section called Security Center. Here you'll find options related to the safety of your account. Look for Login Password and click the Change button next to it. This section is specifically for your sign-in password. If you ever see options for trading passwords or other security features, make sure you're choosing the one labeled for Login. You'll now be asked to enter your current password, followed by your new password twice to confirm it. Take a moment to choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used elsewhere. Aim for a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid personal details that could be guessed. A password manager can help you generate and securely store a complex password so you don't have to memorize it. After you've entered everything carefully, select Save or Confirm. If the new passwords don't match or don't meet the strength requirements, you'll be prompted to fix that. Simply retype them and try again. When it's successful, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your login password has been updated. Keep your new password private and don't share it with anyone. That's it. You logged in, opened your profile menu, went to My Account and Settings, navigated to the Security Center, selected Change next to Login Password, entered your current and new passwords, and saved the change. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online by keeping your credentials secure and up to date.